We're back, Doc. We're back to talk
Back.
today.
And this time we're talking about cholesterol, I
Yes,
think.
we
eh?
are. Well, okay, so just to take a step back, the reason why we started to look into this idea around cholesterol is because as we're building out our programming around healthy aging, I am very much committed to figuring out how best to intercept the two most common reasons why we don't age in a healthy way, which is cardiovascular disease and brain conditions, so dementia, Alzheimer's, those sorts of chronic diseases that, in my opinion, are very much preventable. So
Yeah, I'm sort of saying atherosclerosis is something that I think everybody is affected by. If we were to, let's say, just magically live to the age 200 and not get hit by a truck, we're more likely to die of atherosclerosis than anything else.
that's correct.
Whether it's stroke or heart attack or anything like that.
Yes. Yeah, it's the number one killer.
Number one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the work that we do here, we are very much focused on being proactive or trying to prevent some of these conditions from developing into something that creates an event in your life that impacts the quality of how you age. So, so in the process of this, I felt it was really important that we understand cholesterol.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just spend a few minutes talking about cholesterol.
That's a big topic.
It's a huge topic, and we're going to break this down into several videos
Okay.
because we want to get to the bottom of is cholesterol even a useful marker to test? And as we're building our test panels, that's what we want to get to the bottom of. But today, I just want you to explain
Okay, so
what is cholesterol?
cholesterol is a sterol. It's made by every every animal. Plants actually make something called phytosterols, not cholesterols. Anyways, long story short, we can even get into that a little bit.
Yeah, we could, yeah.
But so basically, animals make cholesterol, and it's something that we need. It's necessary. It's a precursor to a lot of our hormones, whether they're sex hormones or stress hormones. It's very important in membrane fluidity, so we need it for our membranes to be healthy and act appropriately. And it's something that is healthy overall. There are times where it can be involved in a process that is unhealthy, but cholesterol in and of itself, I would not say is bad.
So cholesterol is something our bodies produce, and it would also be something that we would consume in our diets.
Now, here's the thing about dietary cholesterol. We absorb very, very, very little dietary cholesterol.
Yeah.
There's different kinds of cholesterol too. There's esterified and unesterified. Basically, the types of cholesterol that we consume, we're absorbing so little of it that it doesn't really even come into play. And this isn't my opinion, this is fact. We absorb very little dietary cholesterol.
Which is very interesting because we, I think, and this is what we want to get to the bottom of, are I think we get the message that cholesterol is bad, and that not only are we trying to cut out the cholesterol in our diet, which is where the low fat or no fat fad came in, as well as there are certain medications that we take that actually block the production of cholesterol in our bodies. So so we'll get into that.
Okay.
But really, for the remainder of this video, let's just identify that there is cholesterol.
It's dietary, it's in our bodies, and the primary source I would say that is the most important one to focus on is the amount of cholesterol that we make that is recycled basically in our body, taken back up by our livers.
Okay.
And that's the most important piece.
And cholesterol is not bad.
No, cholesterol is a good thing.
Great.
We need it. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to leave it at that, and then you can follow up with the next few videos to learn a little bit more about the difference between HDL, LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, because those are words you may have heard if you'd been to see your doctor and they tested your cholesterol.
All right.
Okay.
We'll do it then.